Welcome back to the JVZoo tutorial videos. In this video, we are going to be covering custom checkout banners. So we go to Sellers, Custom Checkout Banners. Each product can have a banner. Each vendor can have a banner. We do not have any set up in this account. So let's go to Upload a Vendor Banner. This will allow you to upload a banner that is a GIF or GIF, depending on which way you pronounce it, a JPEG, or a PNG image. It must be 720 by 125 pixel size. Basically, all you have to do is browse to the video or to the banner that you've set up and click Upload once you've selected it. This vendor banner will then appear at the top of all of your JVZoo checkout pages. Now, there are reasons to do this and reasons not to. I work with a lot of partners, so I don't have a vendor banner because I want it to be generic. But if you're doing this all yourself, that can add a lot of professionalism and also can make buyers feel more comfortable, like they're not being sent to another system. Let's go back to the product banners. Basically the same thing. You pick your product from the list, and let's go down to the one we're using for our examples, the Graphics Booster Personal Usage License. When you click on that, you get the same thing here. Select the product banner you've set up for that image and upload it. That banner will then show up in the checkout process.